Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, guys? Hope you're doing well and hope you are doing great. And today, if you see last few videos, like 2 3 videos, hope I remember that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, where I was telling you about the ATM strategy. Okay, so today I decided to give you a little bit idea about the ATM strategy and how you can use this for your trade opportunity, and which gonna give you a very accurate signal, and you can consistently win your trades. Okay, but as normally not any strategy is people say it doesn't work. Most all of the strategy work properly, the indicator strategy, even the price action strategy. But the strategy here, I wanted to tell you, all these strategies, they are working, but the thing is you need to be patiently wait for the trade, wait for the market to give you a right direction or a signal that where you can take your trades and go for your initial profit. Okay, so today here I want to show you something that you can see on my chart. Okay, not this one as like a plain something I already planned for you guys to show you, because the market structure, or you can say like the chart or different pairs, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna show you one pair which I already planned and the rest of things you have to find out yourself. No, we're gonna take any of these you can see on my chart list over here. Any of these trades, any of these market, you can pick it up and you can go and check with the strategy. Okay, the thing is here you have to practice a little bit. Practice means is that the strategy is working, but practice means is you have to use this strategy on your real market. But first you have to practice it's on demo account. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a very key points and how you're gonna take your trades on it and you will be in a profit. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, this is our naked chart now. Okay, so what we have to do is we're gonna go to indicators which on your navigators here. Okay, so when you bring your navigators over here, okay, and you set this one on your computer, I'm gonna upload one video for the mobile. Okay, keep that watch that strategy on mobile as well, how you gonna set that indicators on your mobile. But the most important things people want to know how to use these indicators or this strategy on your computer screen. Okay, so here you can see when you click the navigators is going to show you the all indicators over here, which you can see on the left right over here, the trends and all these things. Okay, but what we have to take, we have to go to the trend first. Okay, so in the trending strategy, we the trending indicators, we have the Ichimoku cloud. So what you have to do is you just grab, I'll just remove this one first. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, there's nothing. So what you have to do is, if you grab your Ichimoku cloud first to the chart, it will appear on your main chart. Okay, that is the thing where the people don't know how to set this in your oscillator indicators. Okay, so first you have to know how to use this chart or this Ichimoku cloud on your oscillator area. Okay, oscillator area means which it shows us the down and the chart up there should be naked. Okay, so we're gonna go first to the we pick something like something in oscillator. What we have in oscillator, we're gonna pick something like MACD or the stochastic oscillator. Okay, just I'll pick the stochastic oscillator. Any of this, you can see the setting, let it be. I'll just bring it on my chart. As you can see, it's down over here. Okay, And when you bring this one, then you have to go back to the trending one. Where is the Ichimoku cloud? You grab the Ichimoku cloud and drag it to this oscillator area. So when you drag it in the oscillator area, it will be come on the oscillator side. Okay, so what you have to do is remove the other indicator, so it will be here. The Ichimoku will be not on your main chart, but it's going to be showing on your oscillator area. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to double click on it, you go on the setting. So you have to bring the setting, the default setting is a different one, okay, which is 25, 20, 26 or something like that, but you have to bring it on 5, Kijinsen 2, and the Chico span 52, and then okay. So this is your first indicator you have to bring on your oscillator over here. Okay, then I'll tell you how to use this one and how it's gonna help you out and filter out all the signals. Okay, very simple. Any side of the market you go, anywhere in the market you go, there's nothing planned to show you guys how this strategy or how this thing is working. Okay, it's very simple. Let's just take a look here. We need a buy signal in this area. Okay, we need a buy signal. When we going to buy here? Okay, when we going to buy in this area? Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, do we need to buy or not? We're gonna come to our indicators down here. We have to come to the indicators down here. Okay, this is the simple step by step I'm going to show you. Okay, there's some few more things we're going to add in it to filter all these signals. Okay, so what we have to do is, when the green Chico span is take exit where? To the upside. To the upside, you can see it's in the cloud. It's in the cloud, but if you see here, the cloud is totally flat. You can see here, that's mean there is a resistance level here. Okay, it shows the resistance level. Okay, so the market keep going down. Okay, the liquidity grab over here, and then there's another resistance over here. The market is still down, another resistance. The cloud, the top area, you can see it's flat, it's a resistance, and then the market start breaking out from this cloud. You can see here. Now the question is, the resistance was showing over here on the cloud, you can see, and the Chico span took exit from the cloud over here. So how come this is not break yet? It's already break. Okay, this resistance was break. How? I'm gonna show you now. If you see over here in this chart, here is the resistance, showing the resistance over here in this area. Okay, but if you see the market, the Chico span, which is here, it's already, if you see this top of the Chico span, this top right here, the price is right here, the Chico span is here, it's already break. You can see this Chico span area, like means this price. So this price is broken by right over here on these candles, okay. Why I'm showing you this is the best strategy? Because it show you and give you idea about when the market give you a breakout. Okay, so the Chico span break out these candles, this resistance area over here in this area. Okay, the thing is, if it's break, why the market doesn't go straight away? No, the market is gonna come back to the retest to these level areas, and then it will fly up. Okay, so the Chico span and this strategy is gonna help us to easily spot the breakout of the resistance and support, and then it's going to give us the entry to buy the market. Okay, so take a look here. It's break over here with this candle, but you cannot go for buy. Why is that? Because the Chico span is not took an exit from the cloud. You can see it's not exit from the cloud, so that's mean it's going to take a retest, so it's came back down here again here, and right there it's took an exit. So this is your buy entry. When you take buy, doesn't matter 15 minute, 30 minute, whatever it is, but any time frame you can use, I mean. Okay, so when you take a buy here, so take a look how the market gonna give you pips. Take a look here. Then what happened, if you see down, right down here, okay, if you see in right down this area, okay, so the market start taking a pullback, and if you see the Chico span come into the cloud, you can see until it's inside the cloud, you're not gonna buy now. This is not your buy point. Okay, so that's mean the market took exit from here, the breakout already here, now it's going back down. It doesn't mean the trend is reversed to the downside. It means that the market is taking a pullback. So when it's inside the cloud, the Chico span inside the cloud, you have to take your exit from your previous trade, and then you wait for the market to give you another buy signal. So take a look, it's inside, and right over here exit. Now there you can see when the Chico span take exit from the cloud over here, this is your buy candle. The first is this one, the buy is here. So this is the engulfing buy candle. You can see here, this is engulfing buy candle. Okay, so it give you right in this point the buy signal, so you go for buy. The stop loss is definitely is going to be right here where the market start moving up, so previous candle right there. Okay, so you can see it just came back to touch or hit your stop loss. So the stop loss definitely is not going to be just right below next to the candle wick. It should be like 15 pips, 10 pips, you know what I mean? So it should be down here. So what the market does, because the market always come back to the retest area where the market break out complete structure. You can see here breakout structure. So this candle is the retest candle. It's gonna come and it's gonna come and then shoot up. Okay, so this is another entry for the buy. Okay, so it gives you the buy until you can see here now in the cloud didn't come into the cloud. That's mean the market is bullish. Okay, it just came into the cloud here. If you want to take exit from your trade, just right at this point, because it's came into the cloud, okay, you can take exit. But if it's give you another exit here, I mean like the Chico span exit from the cloud, so this is another buy signal right over here. This is another buy signal right at this point. Okay, right at this point. Okay, now again the story comes here, and here you see the Chico span came into the cloud. So when it come into the cloud, the market start moving downside, as you can see. But then again the market give us the entry right at this point. Okay, right at this point. So this is another buy signal, and which gonna give us how many pips? Come on guys, take a look here. Okay, this strategy I tested before, like on a demo account, then I come to the real and I make enough good money. Okay, but the question comes here, why I'm not telling you about the sell one? Because it's already took exit from the cloud downside. You can see here downside, so I should go for sell, but I don't go for sell. Why is that? Because the market already break the structure over here. If you see, I'll just point this area, as you can see. Okay, break up to the upside. So when it's take exit from the cloud to the downside, but it didn't break the previous structure area. Okay, so that's mean this exit is not, but that only show your pullback is already done and the market's gonna go up there. Okay, for the sell signal I will give you another example now. if you see very easy. Take a look here. Even I didn't do anything. I just see here, you can see the Chico span complete went to the overbought area, okay, and it came into the cloud. Take a look on the top. It just entered to the cloud, the sell signal. But no, you have to confirm yourself, okay? So when it's take into the cloud and take exit from the cloud, right, this point. So with this candle, it's already break their structure, okay? This one, what, not structure, actually change of character, okay? So it shows the sell signal. So when you sell over here, take a look, until this Chico span doesn't go into the cloud properly, you're not gonna take exit from your trade, okay? So you have to keep watching your trade, or you trail your stop loss and just take your risk reward ratio 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, okay? And then you can exit your trade when it's going to the cloud, right, this point, okay? So when it came into the cloud, now what happened? The market does what? Take a look over here. We gonna take this level right there, you can see, okay? So it's came in, now it's gonna start their pullback until it's reached to where? To this level. But how you gonna find these levels? Is it accurate for you or no? Take a look down here, up here. The cloud from the top is flat. That's mean there's again a resistance start showing the resistance over here. So when the market, the cloud showing you the resistance, that's mean your pullback goes until what point? To this resistance level. So the resistance was over here, okay? So the market went up to the resistance, okay, and then came into the cloud. When it come into the cloud, again your sell entry from this point. How many pips? You can see here, okay? So right there you can see. Now whenever the Chico span inside the cloud floating like that, that's mean the sideways, okay? The consolidation area, you can see here, the market doesn't take the direction, okay? Not like a trending one. But in the scalping mood, you still can use the scalping. You can still use, how is it? Okay, when it go exit from the cloud, you sell, okay? But always keep in the mind, go into the cloud, take exit, okay? Take exit. So if you go any other pair like this one, okay, I'm gonna show you now. Wherever you go into this one, take a look here. See, this is the exit from the cloud, and the market start rolling down, and then enter into the cloud, enter to the cloud, and break the cloud to the upside. Break the cloud to the upside, okay? The resistance, you can see the flat cloud, it's break already to the upside. It doesn't mean from here the market gonna shoot up. It's gonna come back a little bit to retest, like you can see over here, and then again exit in the green cloud. So in the gray cloud here, in the gray cloud, it break the resistance, and then it come back into the green cloud. When you see the green cloud already started, and it take exit, to the upside. This is your buy area, okay? Take a look here. So the market is going to give you money, okay? Now the thing is how you filter out some few things, like where you can see up and down and up and down. You don't know what to use, what not to use. Another key point I'm going to tell you about the strategy. Let's just take a look here. If you see in this area, the market took exit to the downside now, okay? So what you do is you have to go to the next time frame. What is the situation in next time frame? Downside. Let's take a look another time frame, next one, downside. Okay, now the story is here. Take a look. From here the market came in, okay? Where my cursor? Okay, from here the market take in, the cloud become gray, the cloud become gray, okay? And it's a green one. It's shift from the green to the gray cloud, the Chico span, and there is no green cloud at the front. So that's mean, and you can see the Chico span is taking exit from the cloud to the downside. So what is the market show you the direction? Take a look here. If in the small time frame you get confused what is going to be the next move of the market in 15-minute or 30-minute, you cannot predict. So what you have to do is go to the bigger time frame, so the market gonna show you the direction, and that direction, the direction of the market, which direction is. So what you have to do is whenever you take a trade in a big time frame, it shows the downwards momentum. Okay, so go to the 15 minutes. Okay, go to the 15 minutes and you gonna take only the trade when the Chico span take exit from the cloud to the downside, or like Chico span going from the top to the cloud inside. So this area is your sale, not right here. It's already took exit. No, you're not gonna do that, because the market from the exit point again is taking a pullback. Okay, so what you have to do is wait for the market to give you the confirmation. When you take exit to the downside right here, you sell the market. You already in the sale position here, okay, in this area. Stop loss is just above this one, so you are in the sale because the market already show you that took exit from the cloud here. So this is your stop loss. Okay, what you do is go to the next time frame, 1 hour time frame, okay, and it's gonna give you idea, yes, you are on the right trade, so the market is gonna roll down. Okay, that's how it is. But there's one more thing I want to tell you. The video is going longer, but I'm sure you're not getting bored with this strategy and with my video, because there's a very important things coming up to show you that one, and then I'm gonna leave. Okay, because I want you to learn and I want you to practice on this strategy. Here you can see the MACD on my left here. Let me just point it. You can see over here the MACD. So you have to go to the oscillators and take the MACD, drag into right this point. The setting of the MACD, if you just drag and put it there, you can see this is the MACD. Okay, this is the MACD. But the setting of the MACD, I wanted to show you here. 26, slow one is 100. The color of your choice, I can say, well, I just let this color make little light yellow so we can see on the chart over here. Yeah, okay, now the MACD, how it's gonna help us out and filter out these signals. Okay, now what is it called, the zero level of the MACD. Okay, right here, this is the zero level of the MACD. So whenever you see the MACD is below the lines, you can see it's below the zero like that. Okay, it is downwards. So you're not gonna take the buy position. Keep these things in the mind. This is the best filter out about this ATM strategy, which I was telling in my previous video. So you're not gonna go for buy. Even you can see the market giving you a very nice buy signal from the cloud to the upside. You can see here it's a nice buy signal, but you're not gonna go buy. Why is that? Because the MACD is below the zero line. Okay, it shows the lines, the histogram lines, what is it they call, it's downwards. Okay, so you're not gonna go for buy. Okay, but whenever it turn back to the upside and the market give you the signal to the buy, then you're gonna buy. Okay, let's see at this point. Let me make it bigger. Okay, very good example here. Okay, it doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work. Strategy works. You need to be patient, wait for your trade signal to give you setup. You don't need to wait for one pair that it's gonna come and show you the signal, give you the signal, then you will buy. You wait for an hour, 2 hours, 10 hours. No. You just change your pairs. Wherever you find the setup, you go for buy, you go for sale. You don't need to wait for any news and stuff. Okay, how it's going to be. Okay, take a look. It shows us the buy upside lines. Okay, but the problem here, we are inside the cloud. not exit to the buy side. Take a look, not exit to the buy side. Very simple. Hope you understand. The Chico span not taking exit to the buy side. Take a look. It's a buy, but it's not a buy. What you have to do is wait. The line should be to the downside. Now is the line to the downside. You can see it's downside. Then here the cloud go up. The Chico span goes up from the cloud, upside. No, you're not going to buy because the line is to the downside. Simple. See, it's filter out the fake signal where you don't need to enter into the market to the wrong direction. So it's downside. We're going to wait for the market to give you both direction to the right way, and down, and here exit to the down, and this is our sale. You can see. Okay, take a look now. It's go inside the cloud, the market start moving up. Right, it's going up, but we're not going to go against the trend. Yes, the trend is your friend. So when the market goes up and it's go out from even the cloud, but the lines are downside, we're not going to go for buy. We're going to wait for our signal. The line is down. We're going to go for let the cloud come, the Chico span come into the cloud. Into the cloud, your sale started. Exit from the cloud, your sale started. Okay, take a look. Here's your sale. Here's your sale. Okay, in these small pullbacks in small areas, even you don't want to wait for the market. Okay, there you can see the lines are down. What you do is whenever the Chico span exit from the cloud to the downside, you sell. Here's your sell, scalping. Go inside and then exit. Here's your scalp. You can see you can sell here, and then take a look here. Here, sell small, sell small. Okay, then right at this point, take a look. Right at this point, it took exit upside to the cloud. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the confirmation. Where is the confirmation comes in? Upside, we're not gonna buy now. Here we have the confirmation to the buy side. So when it goes up buy and it came into the cloud, we're not gonna sell now. The lines are upside here, short sale. Okay, but we're gonna go wait for the market to give us the buy signal. Here is the buy from here to here. Take how many pips are there? It's a short, yeah, but it's a keep look. It's a 4 hour. Okay, it's a long trade. Don't think, but it's a sideways momentum. Keep look down here. Take a look here. It gives us all the buy signal right here. Came into the cloud because the lines are up. Keep into the cloud. It shows us the buy. Now here it took exit from the cloud downside, but you're gonna wait for the buy position. Yeah, so let's take a look here. We're gonna wait for the buy. Excuse me. The market didn't go into the cloud, I mean this Chico span. So what you have to do is wait for, if it's already outside and the lines, the MACD, it become downwards here, that is your sale start. Now again, take a look. Here's your sell position. Okay, now in this area, what the market is showing you, the market show you it goes into the cloud back in, the MACD lines are down, so we're gonna wait for the exit. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the market to take exit. So the market here from this area, it took exit from the cloud a little bit downside. So this is your entry. Okay, you're right, the entry is here, but then it's go into the cloud, so you have to take exit. When you take exit, that's mean you are not in the trade, you already took a profit. So wait for the market to show you the direction we're gonna go. It took exit from the cloud here in this area, you can see, took exit from the cloud. Okay, now you're gonna wait, yeah, because the lines are down, so you have to wait, let it come the Chico span into the cloud to the downside, you're gonna sell. Yeah, waited for the market to give you the signal. No, no. When it came into the cloud inside, already the MACD tell you no need to sell, because the MACD lines are going upwards, the momentum start upwards, so you're not going to go sell. See, it's save you from the fake direction, fake signal. Okay, so there's, you cannot sell. Then it's up already, the line, so from here you have to wait, let it exit from the cloud to the upside, and it take exit to the upside, and you buy here. Exit to the upside, this is your buy. Take a look. After this, if you're losing money in the market, well, it's gonna be very, very sad. Because until now I was working on the price action, different things. Okay, the coach, they call the change of character, they call, there's a lot of different things came into the market, but nobody knows what gonna happen. Okay, nobody knows which direction the market is gonna go, and this strategy give you the accurate signal. Okay, accurate signal, as you can take the market, okay, to the backside. Why I'm gonna, this is different pair, okay, and this is the AUD JPY. Okay, so if the market give me the signal from here, it took exit from the cloud, you can see here, guys, to the upside. Why I'm not buying? Because the MACD doesn't give me the signal to buy, it shows the sell direction. So what I have to do is wait. It's already outside, and here the cloud become green, and the MACD shows us the lines over here. Start buying. How simple is that? Take a look here. Here's the market. Yeah, here's the market. Took exit from the cloud. It's your buy. Then the market, the green line go into the cloud, you exit from the trade. You're not gonna sell because the MACD lines are in the buy direction. No sell, no sell, no sell, no sell. Take a look here. No sell. It's a buy direction, the MACD lines. Take a look. No sell, no sell. Here, enter to the market. The, what is it called? The Chico span into the cloud. This is your buy, and it goes to the buy direction. When it come inside, exit. Go inside, buy. Inside, exit. Go inside, a buy, but short buy. Why is that? Short buy because the market is about to change a little bit. Okay, because down here the MACD, you can see the MACD start going downwards. Yeah, so what you have to do, look for sell. Here, exit the sell. The market going down. Here, no exit from the cloud yet, so wait for the market. Exit to the upside. The lines are down. No, this is not our signal. Here we are. It's already out. Green cloud. The MACD line become upwards. Buy. That's it. Buy. Let me show you exact point so you don't get confused. This is your buy. Sorry, this one. This one is your buy. From here, take a look where the market goes to the upside. Okay, so that's how you can use this strategy, and hopefully it's gonna work a lot for you. This was the best strategy, ATM, and I'm using myself, and I uploaded some videos, if you can see on my YouTube channels, how this strategy and how I take the trade with this indicator. Okay, it's not just an indicator, lagging indicator, or you call the backspan, whatever it is. Okay, it shows exact the breakout structure after the structure and give you a signal. This is the best strategy. See, I'm just scrolling the market. See, I scroll the market all the way back. You never find any trades it's gonna like give you the wrong direction. Take a look, just one more example here. See, the MACD lines is up, yeah, and we are inside the cloud. We're not gonna buy. Okay, the Chico span exit from the cloud here, but the MACD line is in the buy. We're not gonna buy. Wait for the give us both direction to the right side. Here the MACD lines become sell. Okay, and we are under the cloud. That is your sell direction. That's it. See, that is your sell. But here it's go into the cloud. You can see it's go into the cloud. You're not gonna buy. Why is that? MACD line is in the sell. When they exit from the cloud, here you sell. Take a look. I mean, why not? That big, that big move. You can see here a big move. Okay, here a very big move. And this point, take a look here a very big move. Come on guys, even you put your stop loss little bit below, little bit more down here, doesn't matter. It's not gonna hit your stop loss, I'm sure about that, because from here if you buy, the market go a little bit back, a little bit more, no problem, but the market is going to be on your right direction. So apply the strategy on your computer and practice it, okay, in demo account, and then you apply on the real chart. Even the real market, you have to go with a small lot size, no worries, at least you will practice, okay, and then you can earn money. And this strategy version, mobile version, I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube channel, upload the video from mobile, so you can set all these indicators for you on my mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how it is work on the mobile. Both are the same, doesn't worry about, okay. So yeah, I'm sure it's going to help you a lot, and just pray for me, okay, if you like and my video and you learn something from it, and if it's helpful for you, just pray for me. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you again, guys. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.